Welcome to session 5 of Employment and Education Support webinar series. My name is Vishnu Sundaram. I'm an occupational therapist with the Bedfordshire Chronic Fatigue Service and the BLMK Post-COVID Fatigue Service. In this session, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of disclosing health conditions in a place of work or study. Let's begin. When someone receives a diagnosis of a chronic condition, it's completely natural to feel uncertain about whether to disclose this information to colleagues at work. Deciding to share such personal details is never easy, and it can be helpful to consider both the concerns and potential benefits. Let's begin with some common concerns people often face. Many people worry that colleagues may not fully understand their situation or may judge them unfairly. This can create feelings of isolation in the workplace. The second most common concern is feeling anxious about losing the job. It can be extremely distressing to consider that your job stability may be at risk, particularly if you are concerned about that your health may compromise your position. Some may worry that disclosing a chronic condition could affect opportunities for promotion or advancement, raising doubts about their future within the organization. You may struggle with the idea that other people do not think highly of you, which may lower your confidence and have an impact on how well you do at work. To counteract these fears, people sometimes push themselves harder than necessary, overcompensating in ways that increase fatigue and risk of burnout. Living with chronic condition may also bring guilt, especially if you believe your health issues may impact others. On the other hand, there are also important benefits of disclosing your difficulties when navigating a chronic condition. Sharing your situation can help colleagues better understand the challenges you face, creating a more supportive work environment. Disclosing your condition can open the door to requesting reasonable adjustments that tailor your work environment to better suit your needs. Being open about your health can grant you access to occupational health resources that can assist you in managing your condition at work. Being open and honest about your health condition can frequently relieve the burden of hiding your difficulties. Some of your colleagues or supervisors may have personal experiences or knowledge related to your condition, which can provide additional support and understanding. In most cases, you're not obligated to disclose a health condition during job application, except in roles with significant health and safety responsibilities, such as driving, operating heavy machinery, or caring for vulnerable individuals. It is important to know that all employees have the right to request flexible working arrangements, which can greatly assist in managing chronic conditions. However, if you want to receive reasonable adjustments in your workplace or education setting, you will need to disclose your condition to be eligible for support under the Equality Act 2010. Even if you see yourself as ill rather than disabled, it is important to recognize that a long term fluctuating condition that significantly impacts daily life may qualify as a disability under the law. This recognition can empower you to access the support and accommodations you deserve. Thank you for listening to session 5. In the next session, we'll discuss the legal aspects related to employment and education.